Circle, circle nice and round, rolling smoothly on the ground. Heart square has edges, it has four, all the same from side to floor. Deep triangle with corners three. 1, 2, 3, count them with me. Rectangle is long and wide, too short, too long on every side. Diamond sparkles in the sky, like a kite that loves to fly. Oval like an egg, so neat, long and round, a special treat. Star with points that shine so bright, twinkling in the sky at night. Heart is shaped with love and care, spreading kindness everywhere. Now you know your shape so well. Which one's yours, can you tell? Look around and you will see, shapes are all in you and me. Learning shapes is so much fun. Let's name them now, one by one.